this video, I'm going to show you a few little tips and tricks you can use to get a lot more speed out of your minor pentatonic scale. All you need is the first pattern, nothing else. We'll go through a few licks that you can start playing right away. If you want the tab, the PDFs or the guitar profiles, just click the link in the description. They are completely free. So grab your guitar and let's get started. So we prepared a few licks in the key of E minor. All you need for the licks are the minor pentatonic pattern 1. So we start at the 12th fret on the E string and then we have this pattern. So these are the notes you need for the licks, and let's start with lick number 1. It's a very common lick a lot of guitar players use in rock music. So we start on the 15th fret of the high E string with an upstroke, and then we make a pull off to the 12th fret of the high E string, and the index finger needs to stay on both strings, so on the B string and the E string, and then after the pull off we play the 12th string on the B string. So the index finger stay on these two frets, on these two strings, sorry. So pull off 12th fret of the B string, and now we repeat it. So we have a repeating lick. And then of course you can try to get it on speed. So start very slowly and then get faster and faster. Okay, let's move on to the second lick. Here we have a repeating lick 2. So we start with an whole tone bending on the 15th fret of the B string. So bending to the root note, to the E, and then we go to the 12th fret of the E string, make a hammer on to the 15th fret and pull off back to 12th fret. So that's the pattern, and we repeat it. And here the index finger stays on the 12th fret as well. So the ring finger does all the work here. And if you want to end the lick, you can end with a bend on the 15th fret. So okay, let's move on to lick number 3. Here we are playing the same lick, just one string lower. So we start on the G string and do the whole tone bending and then hammer on, pull off on the B string, 12 and 15. So okay, let's move on to lick 4. Next repeating lick. So on the high E string, we're playing 12, hammer on to 15 and pull off back to 12, and the same thing on the B string. So here as well, the index finger needs to stay on both strings. And then you can put it to speed. Start slowly, figure out the notes, And it's very important that you play downstroke on the E string and then upstroke on the B string to get more speed. And yeah, if you want to end the lick, just, for example, do the bend on the 15th fret of the B string. Okay, let's move on to lick 5. Here we have the same pattern, but on the G and D string. So same thing. We just move it one string lower. So on the G string, 12, 14, pull off. Same thing on the D string. Yeah, and you can end it with a bending on the 14th fret, and maybe end on the root note on the D string, 14th fret. Okay, let's move on to the next lick, lick 6. So no repeating lick, it's just a normal lick, and we have groups of 6. So you play 6 notes of the pentatonic scale, so the first 6 notes, and on each string with the hammer on. Yeah, and then we do the same thing, but we start on the A string. Then we start on the D string, then G string. So we play all the notes of the pattern in groups of 6. Now and then. Yeah, okay, let's go to lick 7. So same thing, groups of 6, but then we start on the highest note of the pattern and we do pull-offs. So then we start on the B string, then on the G string, and then on the D string. So same thing, but the other way around. We start on the highest string and then do groups of 6. Okay, let's move on to lick 8. Here we have so it's a common sequence that you hear a lot of times in many songs on many solos. So we start on the 14th fret of the A string and then we do a pull off to 12, then 14 again, 12 on the D string, 14 A string, and then 12 on the D string. And that's the sequence. And then we just shift this sequence to the next strings. So we start on the D string, do the same sequence. Okay, so then G string, and then we end the lick with an whole tone bend on the 15th fret. And then you can do a little vibrato. So the whole lick goes like this. Okay, let's move on to the last lick for today, lick 9. It goes like this. And here we have a sequence as well. And here we start on 15th fret of the high E string, and then 15, so 15 pull off to 12, 15 on the B string, 12 on the E string, 15 on the B string, 12, and yeah, that's the sequence. And then we just shift this pattern to all strings. So next up we start on the B string, pull off, G string 14, 12, 14, 12. So this bar goes like this. Then we start on the G string, then D string, A string, and then we just play the 12th fret again and end the lick. So one more time. So these are the licks, and you definitely should practice them very slowly. It would be great if you do it to a metronome, so very slowly, start slowly, just get the notes on your fingers and yeah, just raise the tempo of the metronome time by time, and then you will get yeah, great results. And the great thing about this is that you just can shift the licks in every key. So just take the lick and shift it maybe to A minor, and you just need to play the same thing, the same notes and the same sequences. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more lessons. Just click the link in the description to get all the lesson materials like tab, PDF and guitar profiles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.